Hi all. Welcome back. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and enable the bell for instant notification. When you open a stock chart, you see different types of candlesticks. There is a hidden message in each candles, and decoding this will help you to prosper in the game of trading. Today, let's check the anatomy of a candlestick. Candlestick charting allows you to quickly gauge current market sentiment and anticipate potential price movement, which is essential to profitable trading. A green color candlestick represents bullishness in the market. Similarly, the red color candlestick represents bearishness in the market. A candlestick shows us a price bar with an opening price, a closing price, a high price for that time period, and a low price for the same time period. The shadows look like wicks. Hence these are called as candlesticks. Bar chart versus candlestick chart. Candlestick chart displays the same data as a typical bar chart, but conveys the information in a more visually appealing manner. Types of candlestick. Candlesticks comes in all shapes, sizes, and combinations. Your ability to quickly piece together the market's puzzle using this vital information will be extremely beneficial to your trading success. Task for the day. Open your trading account and try different chart styles. Check out the difference between bar chart, candlestick chart, Heikin-ashi candlesticks, etc. To open a trading account in Upstock's platform, please use the referral link given in the description. In the next video, we will explain about Heikin-ashi candles. Stay tuned and stay safe. Thank you for watching.